first.
Uh-oh.
Oh, explain what's going on.
All right, now we went up to 200 milliliters in 2 cups.
Oh,
So I have 2 cups. Come
All
on.
right. And liters measures what? Liquids. That's right. Liters measures liquids. All right. Who's the Lee? Okay, Lee.
He had to pray.
Lee, you have to pray. You have to break it down and pray. Go around the other side.
Okay,
Go around the other side. Oh boy, we've doubled it.
Uh-oh.
Here you go. You better put them both on at the same time. 'Cause we got to start counting at the same time. Do both of them at the same time.
They can lean against each other.
You gotta do both.
All right. All right, ready?
Okay.
9,
9,
8,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
All right.
Okay, who's next? Jayla. Jayla. Oh, come on. Women power. Women power, Jayla. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
All right.
Next.
Come on, Joshua.
How can Joshua pay this twice?
Hey, you're going to have to figure it out. Come on, Joshua.
Joshua,
Figure
you
it
gotta
out.
figure out how you're gonna put
Both of these cups are
the cups
yeah, the cups are different.
on your bridge. Come on. You better think first before you put it down. You got it? Okay. He has one. Oh, he has to figure it
idea
out.
right there, Joshua.
He has to figure it out. Oh, he has to figure it out. Oh, Joshua. Joshua, you gotta figure it out. This is engineer. 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Matthew's
Okay.
kind of sliding.
Okay.
Matthew's bridge.
Okay, here, Matthew, go around the other way.
But his bridge is kind of like sideways.
Okay, I don't know how Matthew's gonna work this out.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right.
Oh.
He can't do it. No, because of that. Because of
Come
because
on,
of that.
bring it straight across back like
Okay,
that.
I got this.
You
you
can't
can't
hold
hold
it because his bridge has to be able to withstand the pressure. This is engineering.
Come on, Matthew, you can do it.
What is this?
Oh, you gotta figure it out. You have to figure it out.
Come
You
on.
gotta figure it out.
Darn tape.
Come on, Matthew, you can do it.
10,
9,